Building up your credit score is no simple task, and it's critical for future loans and big purchases. It can feel like it takes forever to build up, but we'll show you some ways to boost your credit score very quickly.
So in this video, we're going to walk through 10 tips to start seeing immediate improvements. Hey guys, it's Amber and Jared here. Our goal here at Holy City Family is to empower you to achieve financial independence and provide the best education to your children so that everyone can pursue their dreams and ambitions. And we named our channel Holy City Family because we live in Charleston. We've always loved visiting the area, and also in case you didn't know, its nickname is the Holy City.
If it's your first time here, thank you for joining us. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to receive our weekly videos. All of our videos are for informational purposes only and do not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research. Consult a certified and trusted financial planner who will put your interests above their own before following any advice we may offer. Tip number 1 is use Credit Karma. Use this app and follow their personalized advice. And as we go through these tips, we wanted to call out that on the screen you'll see impact, time commitment, and speed. So in the case of using Credit Karma, it is a high impact tip. The time commitment is low to medium, and you can see very fast results. Credit Karma is a free service that tracks your credit reports with TransUnion and Equifax. It also allows you to check your credit score at any time and provides personalized tips to help you improve your score. We have personally used this app for 10 years plus. We're trying to remember what our credit score was back then. It was around the 600s, and now it's 825. I think each of us are pretty close to that right now.
So number 2, become an authorized user. And here you want to think through trusted people in your life that have a long established credit history and ask if they will add you as an authorized user. You may increase your odds by only asking to be listed as an authorized user and not actually having access to the card or account. And for us, we've done this personally with a family member, and it's helped them boost their credit scores.
Number 3, keep your oldest credit card open and active. This is something that I struggled with and just didn't realize when I was trying to build up my credit score, so we wanted to pass that off to you guys. And use it every 12 months to make sure that you keep it active, and so there's still purchases and transactions going on, and they wouldn't, the company that has that card wouldn't accidentally turn it off or close it for you, because then that would erase all that credit history that you'd have there. Close your newer cards and accounts once balances are paid off to further increase your average credit history.
Tip number 4, limit hard inquiries. So with here, do your diligent research when looking for a loan, looking for the best rate terms, and only allowing creditors to do a hard credit check when you're absolutely certain that it's what you want to do. Hard inquiries actually stay on your credit report for up to 2 years. And then you really want to take a look at it and target 1 to 2 hard inquiries at any given time.
One thing that I also do, I just thought of this, is when people start asking me for my social security number, or when they start asking you if they can do an inquiry, I always make sure to ask, is this going to be a hard inquiry or is this going to be a soft? Usually if they say it's hard, I want to make sure that I'm absolutely ready before they run that credit. Number 5, don't miss payments. For this one, make sure you set calendar reminders when your payments are going through. Also set up automated payments, either through your checking account or a credit card. And one thing that we like to do is if you're doing the payments through a credit card, make sure you're well aware of when that card expires, so that if it were to accidentally expire, then you wouldn't miss that payment.
Yeah.
Also, pay your bills right after you get paid to keep it simple at a consistent time in the month. Like for example, we get paid monthly, so we like to have the payments usually go off for everything on the first or second of the month.
Yeah. Number 6, make sure to use less than 30% of your limit on any one card, and then certainly don't use more than 30% overall on your entire credit.
Right.
With us, you can see here we're going to show we use about 1%, so we're looking at 181 out of that 25,000, which is our credit limit. If you have a higher credit score, you want to try to use less than 7%. Make sure that you pay down balances before the billing cycle ends, or several times throughout the month to keep those balances low, which will ultimately increase your credit score.
Number 7, ask for higher limits. The goal here is to increase your credit limit but keep your balances the same or lower. This instantly lowers your overall credit card utilization and improves your credit score. Some lenders allow you to request this online, while others require a phone call.
Number 8. Here you want to check and fix your credit report errors. So it actually takes time to identify those errors and file the disputes and then follow up on any the progress that's made on those. The credit bureaus actually have 30 days to investigate and respond to those disputes.
Okay, number 9 is a tough one. Stop impulse spending. So in a study that we looked at, over 50% of Americans report impulse purchases over $100, and 20% report purchases over $1,000. Rather than allowing these purchases to potentially damage your credit score, ensure that the purchase is a must-have and also wait for 24 hours before making that purchase.
And I've heard a lot of people actually like write that down and they put it on their refrigerator and they look at it and they make sure like, is this what I want or need right now? And can it maybe wait, or do I just not need it? And the last one, number 10, credit monitoring. So here you want to prevent someone from stealing your identity and ruining your credit that you're working so hard to increase or repair at that time. All those services are going to help to identify that theft or that fraud for you so you can catch it before it happens, or like while it's happening, so it won't really damage that credit that you've built.
Okay, so let's recap. Number 1, use Credit Karma. 2, add authorized user. 3, keep oldest credit cards active. 4, limit hard inquiries. 5, don't miss payments. 6, pay balances strategically. 7, increase credit limits. 8, fix credit errors. 9, stop impulse spending. 10, monitor credit. Hey guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Reach out to us in the comments below, email us, or follow us on Instagram.
We look forward to reading every comment and responding as often as we can. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and join us as we learn, save, and grow together.
Thanks, guys.